Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made these earrings. You guys, these are actually made from zippers. Zippers. I made these from zippers, and I just love them. Love how they came out. Let me see if I can get close so you guys can actually see the zipper part on it. Like, can y'all see that? Yeah, like these are straight up zipper earrings. Like, is it gonna focus? Okay, it's not gonna focus. Anywho, these are made from zippers. I love them. I love how they turned out. These ones I did like for Valentine's Day. You know, the black, pink, and red. I think they're freaking cute. Look at that, you guys. They're so cute. Okay. As well as I made these. These are made out of zippers too, but these are like hearts. You know, you can use these for different crafts as well, like earrings, hair bows, necklaces. I've seen some people wear them as like pins for Valentine's Day also. Um, this craft is easy. It is not, it doesn't take long, doesn't take much. Let me turn this off. Matter of fact, let me turn my glue gun off. So yeah, let's go ahead and get up into this craft, and then I will see you guys very soon. Bye. Alright, you guys, so to make the earrings, you're going to need, of course, your zippers. And in this case, I'm going to be using blue, gold, and orange. Okay. Yeah, blue, yellow, and orange. Okay. You're also going to need some jump rings, which are just, you know, your little circles, as well as some hooks. And you're going to need something to punch a hole. You're going to need scissors and lighters to seal the ends of this when you cut it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this one right here is one that I've already done. And as you can see, the black one that's on the outside is bigger, and then they get smaller as they go in. So you're going to want to know pretty much the way that you want to put it. The blue is going to be on the outside, so I'm going to make sure that this is the longest piece that I cut. So I think I'm just going to take a little bit off. Let me go ahead and unzip it. And then I'm just going to cut, I think, from here. No, let's go. Let's go right here. Okay. All right. So that's my blue, and then I want this one to be smaller. So this one I'm going to cut right here. Then of course the orange we want to be the smallest. So which way do we cut it? This way. Alright, so let's cut this right there. Okay, and then the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cut off this silver piece that's on each one. So just go to where it is and just cut that off. Don't need that. Make sure your pieces are pretty much about the same. Now you just take your lighter and Okay, now that you did that, next thing you're going to want to do is just take the hole punch. And you're going to want to punch a hole directly beside the, right beside the zipper. And then another one over here at the end. So that it's like this. There's two holes in this one. I'm not sure if you can see it. But you see where I got the two jump rings at? Or you could just do one. I mean, you could do one right in the middle. You don't have to do it the way I'm doing it. Not sure if you can see it. Okay, so I've done one in the head and, you know, punched all my holes in all of them. But if you can see, like, how it's got, like, some frayed edges right there. Only thing I do is I go on and I just seal it with the lighter. And that gets rid of the frayed edges. Now go ahead and do this for all of the pieces, and then after that you are ready to just go ahead and start putting them and making earrings. Okay, so yep, I guess that's it. We are ready to get started. And I'm going to use I guess I'm going to use gold. And of course you're going to need pliers. You are going to need pliers. And then I've got my little jump ring right here. Go ahead and open it, and then from there you can go ahead and start applying your zippers. And I'm doing this with the one that's got the, what is that? What the freak is that? The zipper part on it first. I'm doing that side first. See, to where they're just hanging down just like that. And then you can go ahead and secure that one for now. For now, that one is done. We're going to take another jump ring and do the same with the back. We're just going to loop it through those holes as well. Where is it? Shoot. I feel like I'm doing this backwards than what I did yesterday. Alright, so you could leave it like this and this could be an earring, but I'm going to go ahead and bring them up like that to the other side. So now you are going to need to open it up and do the same thing, starting with the smallest one. And just keep going. And then you're going to want to hook it back. Oh, shoot. Alright, and once you got both of them hooked up, this is what it should look like, front and back. Now I go ahead and take another jump ring, open it up, and this is what I use to go ahead and hook these two together. And then I also place my last jump ring in there, close it, and then I use this jump ring to hook onto the, whatever this thing is called. And that's how you get your earring. So let's go ahead and do the other one. Alright, so one more time, we hook everything onto the two loops. Then we take a jump ring, and we hook it through both of those. Then take another jump ring and you add it onto that one. If I can get it, close it, and that jump ring that you added onto that one, open it up, place your hook, close it, and you are done. Zipper earrings. Alright, so let's say if we wanted to make some hearts out of our scraps that we have. This is like so easy. So the first thing that I start with is at the bottom. You will see like there's a little bit hanging off. What I go ahead and do is I go ahead and angle the bottom, get it the shape of a heart. So I go ahead and do the bottom of the heart just like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and just seal it. And now these two straps right here, this is pretty much your heart. Only thing we are doing is just pulling these back and hot gluing them to the back. Just like that. And that's really all you're doing. Except for I make it line up with the edge that I just did. So I'm going to go ahead and take my glue gun. I'm going to go ahead and just put some glue on the back of it. Then as I said, I'm just going to go ahead and line it up with this edge right here. That is not lined up. Do that again. Alright, there we go. It's a lot better. Then I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. Let's go ahead and do this yellow one as well. I'm going to go ahead and burn these. I'm going to go ahead and angle this. Burn it. Unzip it. Put some glue on the back. We're going to line it up with this bottom part right here that we just cut. And you can turn these into earrings. These can be necklaces, hair bows, whatever you want them to be. Just like that. Let's go ahead and do the blue one. Seal it. A little bit of glue. And there we go. The orange, the yellow, and the blue one. Super easy, super simple.